Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the best budget full-frame cameras you can buy without draining your entire bank account. If you're a beginner photographer or upgrading from APS-C, these three cameras will give you pro-level performance at an entry-level price. Let's start with the Sony A7 II, still one of the most reliable and affordable full-frame mirrorless options today. The A7 II features a 24mm CMOS sensor, Bion's X processor, 5 FPS burst shooting, and 5-axis image stabilization. You also get a sharp 2.36mm dot OLED viewfinder, solid build quality, and weather resistance, making it great for travel and outdoor shooting. Autofocus is fast and accurate, and the image quality delivers excellent colors and tons of detail, perfect for weddings, portraits, and candid photography. Next, let's look at the Canon EOS RP, probably the friendliest full-frame camera for beginners. The EOS RP comes with a 26MP sensor and 5 EV autofocus sensitivity, 4K video at 24 FPS, and a DSLR-style grip that feels great in the hand. Canon's JPEG colors are beautiful straight out of the camera, making this a great choice for documentary and travel photographers. It's not the fastest camera for action, but for slower storytelling-style shots, the EOS RP shines. Now, onto the Nikon Z5, one of the best value full-frame cameras you can buy today. The Nikon Z5 features a 24MP sensor, Speed 6 processor, 5-axis image stabilization, and 273 phase detect AF points. You also get sharp 4K UHD video, excellent high ISO performance, and Nikon's signature color science. Low light autofocus can struggle slightly, but switch to AF mode and it locks on incredibly fast. The Z5 delivers gorgeous image quality and is easy to recommend for beginners and enthusiasts alike. So, which one should you choose? It depends. The Sony A7 II for all-around versatility, the Canon EOS RP for ease of use, and the Nikon Z5 for top-tier value. Check the links in the description for updated pricing and deals on all three cameras. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with which camera you'd pick.